In this video, I'm going to show you how to 3D print your puzzle cube. So you should have 5 parts. You're going to create an STL file for each part and then email them to me. Inside of Inventor, open the part that you're ready to turn into an STL file. You have to do this for each part. You cannot do it in the assembly. You don't actually have to have the assembly to print your parts. In the viewer of the part you want to turn into an STL file, you'll choose File. And then from the File menu, it's in the Print menu. Don't choose the Print button. Instead, select this arrow off to the right that gives you the full menu of options, and you're going to send it to a 3D print service. You're not actually going to send it to a 3D print service, but you are going to prepare the file that you would send to them and then close the web browser tab for the service. So you print to a 3D print service, and then you'll see an STL file. You can say OK to these and give it a name that includes your name. And if this is, Tron's file, then it should have Tron's name in it, and include the color of the filament that you want it printed with. It'll be in an STL file. Also, pay attention to where you're saving it. In this case, I'm in the Documents folder, and I can look and see, where that Documents folder was by clicking on the down arrow. The Documents folder here is inside of this PC, inside of Desktop. So it's your Documents folder, and you don't have to change that, but you do want to make sure you know where it is so that when you go to email it, you know where your file is. Save it, and it will take a little bit, and it will also open up a new tab in a browser, and you can just close that tab because you're not actually going to send the part to that service. You're going to send it to me. So then you open up your email, and inside of your email, you're going to compose a new email. I'm going to fill the screen just so that one is hidden so I don't share my email. And you need to send it to me. My email address is brown.bennett, and it's at iowicityschools.org. And to attach, you want to put a subject. So these are my puzzle pieces, because I'm going to attach all 5 pieces to this email to my teacher. And down here is the paperclip. You click the paperclip to attach a file, and it will let you browse your computer. And remember, I stored it in Documents, and you need to make sure that you attach the one that's an STL file. So it'll say that the type is a 3D object, and it's this one. It has a different looking icon. It might be different on your computer, but it is not the Inventor part. It's a 3D, it's instructions for a 3D printer. And so you'll attach that one. You click Open to attach it, and Google Mail will upload it in the browser, and you'll notice that the file name ends in .stl. If you attach the wrong one, you can click the X. You can attach more files by clicking the icon with the paperclip, and when you're done, you'll send your email. You should always include in an email, hi, Mr. Brown or teacher, thanks for printing these files, and sign your name to your email. Okay, and then send it, and I'll print those parts for you. Thanks.